Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Villa Serenity, pet friendly. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, water park and a barbecue facilities. Located in the back unit of a duplex building, Villa Serenity, pet friendly offers accommodations with free Wi-Fi. Beach access is a 3 minutes walk away. Guests have access to a common area with barbecue facilities, picnic tables and laundry facilities. The units are fitted with air-conditioned bedrooms and a kitchen. There is also a toaster, fridge and a coffee machine. A dishwasher is available in the common area. The holiday home offers a barbecue. Yoga Elements is 16 miles from Villa Serenity, pet-friendly, while Carillon Beach is 16 miles from the property. Northwest Florida Beach's International Airport is 15 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.